Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Target box unboxing. I actually got 2 boxes this month. First is the eye box, and then I got the beauty box. I've never gotten 2 before. I didn't know that there was 2. Maybe it's different this month. I'm not sure. How cute is this box? The little eyes on it. The card here says hello bright eyes. Then it just talks about the products, and there's a coupon for $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. First thing in the box is from Lumify. Or no, Bausch & Lomb. This is Lumify, and these are just eye drops. Redness relief eye drops. Works in 1 minute. Lasts up to 8 hours. So that's what those look like. We have a brush from Sonia Kashuk. This is the Essential Brush Brow and Spoolie. And then here we have the spoolie. And then on the other end is the brush. If my camera will focus. Product from CoverGirl. This is the Get in Line liquid liner. I've never used this before. I think this is from their new line they have out. You know, when they came out with the new foundations, they came out with a bunch of new products. It says trace your lash line with small dots first, then connect them using the liquid liner for a perfect wing every time. I suck at winged eyeliner, but maybe I'll try that. Okay, next is a mascara from Maybelline. This is a Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara, and I cannot remember if I've ever tried this out. I'm gonna have to look back on my Mascara Monday episodes. I don't know if I've tried this, but I used it today underneath my lashes, and I really wasn't a fan. I wanna say that I've tried this before because I think this has been out for a while, but again, I'm gonna have to look back on my Mascara Monday episodes to see. Okay, and the last thing in the eye box is from Acure. This is the Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye Hydrogels, Cucumber and Silk Tree for Age Performance. So these are just little under eye treatments. Well, that's everything that is in the eye box. Again, only $7, free shipping. Now let's get to the beauty box because this one is amazing, you guys. Okay, the card says Hello Autumn Groove, and again, it talks about the products and another coupon for $3 off, $15 or more. I wonder if you can, never mind. I was gonna say, I wonder if you can use 2 coupons, but it says 1 identical coupon offer per guest. Okay, so the first thing in the box is by Bliss. This is the Makeup Melt Dry Wet Gentle Jelly Cleanser with Rose Flower. I think I got this in another box and I used it and I liked it. Or maybe it was something similar to this. I don't know, but this really looks familiar. This says unique milky jelly form and soothing rose flower. Work gently yet effectively to leave skin clear, I can't read, clean, clear, and silky soft. Good for all skin types, especially dry or sensitive skin, free of sulfates, parabens, and other harsh chemicals. I want to say I've used this before. I can't remember. Maybe it was in a blue bottle. Next is from Cetaphil. This is a moisturizing lotion, a moisturizer. Cetaphil is a really good brand for like sensitive skin. So I'm excited for this. I got a toothpaste from Tom's. This is the Luminous White toothpaste, and I have used this before and I do like it. I have a product from Olay. This is the Total Effects Whip Active Moisturizer. I have used the, I don't know, the red one. It's called the Whip. I don't know what the difference between the two is. I actually used this today and I really, really do like it. It's a very like lightweight on the skin, it moisturizes. And yeah, I don't know what the difference between this one and I don't even know where my other one is. I don't know what the difference between the two is, but I do like this. Okay, and I was super excited when I saw these. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water, or coconut, what is it called? Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Shampoo and Conditioner. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, I've talked about this brand, these 2 products specifically. Where's my refresher? My refresher's over there. Love it so much. I love the scent. They actually contacted me and said that they're going to send me some products, so I'm super excited for that. I'll definitely let you guys know what they send me. But yeah, I saw these in there and got super excited. I love the shampoo and conditioner. It smells amazing, and this company is great. Okay, so that was everything that I got in my October Target beauty box and Target eye box. If you guys are interested in these boxes, I'll have a link down below. I know they do sell out, so order them quickly. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.